Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to rebuild an EZGO golf cart engine. First, ensure you have the correct repair manual and all necessary tools. Safety is paramount, so disconnect the battery and drain the oil and fuel. Then, carefully detach the engine from its mounts and lift it out of the golf cart frame. This initial preparation is crucial for a smooth rebuilding process. Now, let's move on to disassembly. Methodically take apart the engine, labeling and organizing all components to ensure proper reassembly. Thoroughly inspect each part, paying close attention to the cylinder, piston, crankshaft, and bearings. Look for any signs of scoring, cracks, or excessive wear. Precise measurements of key components will determine which parts need replacement. Once you've identified worn parts, it's time for replacement. Install new piston rings, gaskets, and seals, ensuring they match your engine's specifications. Before reassembly, meticulously clean all reusable components. Remove any carbon buildup, old gasket material, or grime. Clean surfaces are vital for proper sealing and engine longevity, preventing future leaks or performance issues. Finally, we'll reassemble the engine. Follow your repair manual's torque specifications precisely for each bolt. Once the engine is complete, carefully reinstall it into the golf cart. Refill with fresh oil and fuel, then reconnect the battery. Perform initial startup tests, listening for any unusual noises and checking for leaks. A successful rebuild will have your EZGO running smoothly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.